What are you doing? Use the turning lane.
Ghosts had extinction for like aliens, but it was something. It was actually not that bad. Advanced Warfare eventually got its own zombie voting.
Manual recording will now start.
But this was the
Oh.
first time the Infinity Ward got to take a crack at their own.
That's why. Oh. That is a terrible spot to break down, too.
With 4 Ire, another no-build mission. After finishing that up, I get back to the run with the growing shadow. This mission is really easy.
I'm getting on a plane or a boat. It's not that extreme, but it's pretty cool. Their main street is called Mission Street, and this is a
The
great
fuck you
place.
doing?
If you want to move there, go.
Just touching and working your way across here.
Taking your sweet fucking time, and you're not even gonna turn.
We're gonna have to try to play.
All right.
Trigger, this crippled cowboy gets crushed by cutthroat centaur. According to rule number 2, I have to do my best to keep him alive. Luckily, with my swarm at full force, I move on to creep and attack. The push is a slow siege. The Ballista deal massive damage to any type of static defense. However, in the later half of the campaign, it is so heavily and rapidly invalidated in basically every circumstance.
Okay. We gotta figure out something to do on the other side. Now let's have some fun.
Okay, what the fuck are y'all doing?
Manual recording will now start.
For like, my theory is that if the company makes a good game, like the quality is not in question, then they can get like a rough idea of like what kind of movie you might want to watch. And the average person is not gonna.
Okay, really?
Look into like 10 movies.
Manual recording will now
You guys are
start.
gonna block a road.
They'll just see like, all right, this looks like an action thing, and the guy was shooting. All right, this looks fun. We'll try this. You know, where that's where, you know, you can. That's where the viewer base goes. Yep. Yeah. So I don't think I'd want to live in. Yeah, that's like the one. That's one of the.
Hands when using 240 volts. The power cord is 8 feet in length, and the ground the electrode holder cable is 10 feet. It's quick and easy to install and remove.
I just slid.